Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Academia by Arvind sir. See, in this video lecture we are going to start with the new topic of HTML, that is ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so list plays very important role in HTML. So we'll start with this topic, okay, with proper example. So it goes to the previous, these are the previous topics that already we have studied. Okay, positioning, absolute positioning, we have ended with the float property last lecture. Okay, display property also. Now see, ordered list or numbered list. Okay, ordered means what? Order 1 2 3 like that, A B C D like that. If you start with 1, it will start with 1 2 3 4. If you start with number 50, suppose if you are starting with number 50, means 51 52 like that, means after that number it will incrementing. Okay, so the OL tag for ordered list, you have to use OL tag. Okay, so defines an ordered list. An ordered list can be numerical or it may be alphabetical. Okay, so let's see what are the attributes of OL tag. OL means ordered list, remember. So there are 3 columns here. One is the attribute, second is the values, and third one is the description. So let's see what is the type. So basically type means what? Where you want to start. 1 A, this Roman 1 small 1. Okay, so 1 is the default value and other value specifies the numbering type for the used items. Next is the reversed. So reverse attribute specifies that the items of the list are specified in the reverse order. Start, number, okay, value you have to provide number, specify the starting number of the first item in ordered list. So let's see the example of this ordered list. So only 2 tags you have to use whenever you are going for ordered list. One is OL tag and LI. LI means list of items. Okay, so let's start with the programming part. So open the notepad, type the code. Okay, so we'll starting with code, doc type HTML. Okay, after that HTML, then body, after that whatever you want to write, just write down this in body tag, h3 list of topics. Okay, so whatever the examples that I'm taking, it is from your textbook. All the examples are there from the textbooks only. Okay, so you can see this example, you will get all these example in textbook. Okay, li means list of items. Okay, so just write down the basics of IT. Okay, close li tag, close. See, first you have to use OL and then li. Okay, so here you are not writing any attribute, OL. See, when you are using OL you have to specify the attributes, but here I am not specifying any attributes. Okay, without specifying attributes I am writing. So what is the effect? And after that we'll apply the attribute and then we'll see the effect. So let's see, li HTML file, just close this li tag, then li post GRE post GRE, okay, SQL, close the li tag, okay. Now just close the body tag and close the HTML tag also, okay. Now see the effect of this code file. Just save this, and your HTML folder, already we have created a folder 12th HTML. In that it is what, OL, order list dot HTML, okay. So save this. Now I open this folder where it is 12th HTML OL. Open this with Google Chrome. See, so by default I am not mention anything. By default will start with what, 1 2 3. So basics of IT, HTML file and post GRE SQL, that you have written. So by default it start with the number 1 2 3, okay. See, यहाँ पे आपने already you have seen one is the default value and other values you have to specify during the this one, okay. So that's it. Now next, just add one more list item over here. So let's start. Just close this OL tag also first, okay. Whenever you are opening this OL tag na, you have to close this also. So here I have closed this. See, OL close, li close, like that. Now second OL I am starting. So for that I am writing something over here, h3 list of topics, start with series 50, okay. So 50. Now I want the things which start with 50, okay. So you have to write OL start start equal to 50, okay. Now just close this. Now just write down the, if you want you can write the same thing over here, okay. li basics of IT, close the li tag, okay. li HTML file, close the li tag, and then post GRE SQL, close the li tag, and you have to close this OL tag also. If you want, just give this one space in between so that it will be more clear. Here one ordered list we have used, here second ordered list you have used, okay. Now just save this and execute this in browser and see the effect of this code. Just click F5 over there, okay. F5, that is refresh, or you can use this also. So list of topics, see this previously you got this output, and once you have changed to start, so it will take this 50, 51, 52, okay. So this is what ordered list. Take one more example about this, okay. We'll use OL reversed, okay. This proper attribute we have to see reverse. Start number we have already seen, okay. See in the previous example, okay, see the previous example, OL open with see the notepad, already this one is open now. OL, if you write the, see, if you write OL, see, type equal to small a, so let's see the effect. Open the browser, see, ABC, okay. See, if you write capital A, so the output will be ABC, like that, okay. By default it takes the number, if you write Roman 1, then output will be this one. If you write small Roman, then it will start with this one, okay. So this is what, this property, which one, type, okay. So we have seen type, you have seen the start also, and only one is left, reversed. So let's take another example for that, reversed, okay. So as usual, write down the code for that. Doc type HTML, then HTML body H3 list of topics in reverse sequence. Close the H3 tag, okay. Now OL, here you have to write reversed, okay. LI basics, same content I am writing over there, basics of IT. So LI close, LI HTML5, close the LI tag there, and after that LI post GRE SQL, LI close, OL close, body close, and then close the HTML also. Save this. So this is what, OL reverse dot HTML. See the effect of this code. See, list of topics in the reverse sequence. So start with 3, 2, 1. Once you have written reverse over there, where you have written, see, OL reverse. So it will start with 3, then 2, and then 1. Depends on the number of elements. Okay, see the effect. Okay, so this is what, ordered list. Now we are moving to the next topic. See this reverse one, okay. Chalo. So I think this is clear to you. Now proceeding with the next topic, we have unordered list or bulleted list. So what is basically this tag? An unordered list created using the UL tag. OL ordered list, UL unordered list, okay. And each list item start with LI tag, okay. That previously, so OL LI, here also UL LI. The list items in unordered list are marked with the bullets, small black circles, okay, by default. So let's take an example of this first, and then we'll see the attributes based on this. Okay, so let's clear this. Okay, start with the example of unordered list. Okay, doc type HTML. Okay, then HTML head, then if you want you can mention the title also, example of HTML unordered list, unordered list. Okay, close the title tag. Okay, after that close the head tag, open the body tag. After that write down h3 HTML unordered list, unordered list. Okay, h3 ul tag because unordered list. Okay, so content you can write anything. Okay, so basics of IT, then li close, li HTML5, close the li tag. Next li post gre SQL, li close, then ul close. Okay, then body close, and then HTML close. Okay, now let's see the effect of this code in your program. Save this. Okay, with ul dot unordered list dot HTML. Now just open this where it is ul, open this with Chrome. So the effect is this, what it is bulleted, it is not having any order. Okay, so same effect but in bullets. Okay, so let's after this we'll see the attributes related with the unordered list. Okay, so proceeding with the next topic. Okay, is what unordered list attributes. To see here we are not going to see the example based on this because it's very simple. Okay, so you can just go through this, the style list, style disk, like this. So this way you can use to give the different types of the circle, square, and then this one. Okay, so that is not mandatory. So let's begin with the next topic. See, before going to the next topic, there is a note. HTML5 does not support bullet, circle, and the square value of type attribute. So instead you have to use the CSS style. So already see in previous attributes it is already there. Okay, so we'll move it to the next topic, definition list. Okay, DL, definition list. So what is it? It is nothing but to define a definition list. Okay, what tag we have to use? We have to use the DL tag, DL, that is definition list. So we can create items in the definition list with the DT. Okay, data, and then data definition. DT means data and DD means data definition. Okay, the DT tag is used to define the term. DT is used to define the term, whereas DD tag is used to define the terms definition. So let's try with an example to illustrate this. Okay, so notepad, just clear this and write down the example for this. Okay, doc type, it is HTML, then HTML open, head, title, title. So it is definition list. Close the title tag, close the head tag. Okay, now open the body tag. In that, just write down something related with in S3 tag, example of HTML definition list. Definition list. Close the S3 tag. Okay. Now after that, use DEL, definition list. In that, use definition type DT. So let's see something. It is B for bold web. Okay, close the B tag and close the definition type. After that, DD. Okay, the part of the internet that contains websites and web pages. Close the DD tag. Close the DD tag. Okay. Now DT bold tag HTML. Close the bold tag and then DT also. Okay. Next DD. So see here in DP we are writing something and here we are describing the things like that. Okay. So what is HTML? A markup language. A markup language. Okay, for creating web pages. Okay. So here close the DD. Okay. After that, one more DT will use for CSS. Close the bold tag. Close the DT tag. DD. Now define over here a technology to make HTML look better. Look better is DD. Is CSS. Okay, close this and at the last close the definition list. Close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Okay. Okay. So let's save this with, it is definition list. So del definition list dot HTML. Okay. Now just see the output of this, where definition list, right? Open with Google. See, so here web and then its definition like that. Okay, So we are concluding lecture of this with. So we have seen ordered list, unordered list and the definition list in this video lecture. Thank you so much.